Good morning, fishers. Welcome back to the channel. Out on the water this morning. It's cloudy right now. We just had a bunch of rain move through, but it's supposed to get sunny here in a little while. It's going to be windy today though. Supposed to have like 15 to 20 mile an hour winds, but hopefully we can catch some fish. It may be a tough day of fishing today. I got a buddy of mine going to meet me down here. He just got a new kayak, Native Slayer Max 12.5. He'll be here in just a few minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and unload and get ready to go. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, my buddy got here. He got his new boat. It's a Native Slayer Max 12.5 sharp boat. He got it rigged out pretty good. Still got to do a few things to it. Put a fish finder on it. But, built that nice little crate right there. It's sharp. Plenty of rod holders. Got the Native sidekick gear on it. Nice boat. Anyway, guys, we're getting out on the water. Y'all come along with us. Let's catch some fish. There he is, guys. Small, large jaw. Got him on the War Eagle underspin. Small, large mouth started off. There's another small, large mouth. On the underspin. There's one. I'm on the Terminator spinnerbait, guys. It's wide. I got that white trailer with the red tips on it. Gold willow leaf. Silver Colorado blade, 3/8 ounce. Just a little small, large head. tiny bass, guys, on the underspin.
Eat little.
Calm down, bud. Little bitty one. A little small one, guys. Wacky worm. He's small today, guys. Tiny little thing. Another little tiny one, guys, on the wacky worm. Little bitty old thing. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's trip. Tough day today. About 20-mile-an-hour winds all day. Only caught probably 5, maybe 6 tiny bass. They were all small. My buddy caught 4 or 5 and a catfish. I think 2 of his fish were around 2 pounds. It's just the way it is sometimes. But just being out here is awesome. So I'm gonna wrap it up, guys, and head back to the boat ramp. Appreciate y'all watching and sticking with me. Appreciate all the new subscribers who subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you out on the water.